Peace, peace. Peace to the gods, peace to the goddesses, peace to the electric eaters, peace to the vegans, peace to the vegetarians, peace to the meat eaters, peace to anybody who comes here in peace. Peace. With that being said, today's segment is how to alkalize your water if it has no alkalinity. All right? So what you want to do first is get you some water. Now, if you choose to use tap water, all you have to do typically is drop some lime or some lemon in it, and it completely alkalizes the water. However, you want to do something that is a little bit more consumable to the palate where you'll actually enjoy it as well, and you can get your children to drink it. So with that being said, let's get started. It's only going to be 2 ingredients, but I'll still show you. So first what you want to do is get a gallon like this here. Pour a little out just so you can have some room to shake it up. And this is all you have to do. Get you some limes, preferably with seeds, and preferably key limes. If you can't do that, make sure the limes are organic. All right. So let you see the brand, because this brand right here is one of the cheapest, as I told you before. And let me fix this. This water right here is one of the cheapest. You can get this at Big Lots. And it has a high alkaline level. So you just take your lime. What I like to do is chop it into 4s and then peel the lime right away. And then drop it straight into the water itself. Some people do the rind. I'm not fond of the way that the rind tastes, so I'll just peel at the rind, get that off, and then drop that pure lime juice and lime slices and the flesh of the lime straight into the water itself, right? Now, I'm only gonna drop, I cut up 2 limes, and I'm not gonna show you and have you waiting around for me to peel all these and put them all in. So I'm gonna jump into the second ingredient for you to see, which is our old trusty agave. And this will help with getting your kids to drink alkaline.
Ew.
So the agave, what do you mean ew, little mama?
It's disgusting.
No, this is good. You're gonna see. Watch. We're gonna let my daughter try it. My eldest try the LimeAde. Right here on the camera for you guys. LimeAde, yeah. Instead of lemonade, LimeAde. But it's all alkaline, baby. All alkaline.
Look
You
at
can't
it.
be running from stuff like this.
It's hanging at the bottom, chilling.
Chilling. Squeeze some of that
I like
juice in there.
eating better.
So this is what you want to do. And now my daughter's eating a falafel sandwich. Show the people your sandwich. I know that shit did not just do that. Hold on. So like I said, oh yeah, that's her little sandwich right there. Only thing wrong with that is it has flour in the wrap, which is not something that if you are an avid alkaline eater, you want. But it doesn't matter if 90% of your diet is the right things to eat. That little bit of flour won't bother you. Me personally, the path I'm on, I don't want to consume too much of that type of stuff. But you got to make the children happy. So that's what it's all about. They need more of a balance. I mean, we all need a little bit of balance, but children don't understand this diet and stuff right now. So we implement it at a young age so that when they get of age, it'll be familiar to them and they'll get right into the groove of things. You feel me? So yeah, just squeeze some of that lime juice in there as well. But like I said, I like to have the flesh of it. And then you would just close it up.
And shake it.
Shake it up. This is really refreshing in the summer. Real refreshing.
It's not even summer now.
Get this off. Actually needs more lime. I could tell by the color of it.
Want to get some more? I don't see it have lime in it. I mean,
Limes
lime.
have seeds. This was an organic one. It's really, 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 really hard to find lime with seeds nowadays, or anything for that matter. So you have to do a little bit
just
of traveling.
hammer it.
Huh?
Just hammer it, pound it. Yeah.
No, I'm talking about seeds. It's hard to find fruit with seeds nowadays.
Yummy. I like lime butter.
All right, keep that out of here. Finish your sandwich. You're already indulging in the wrong stuff early. This lime is really juicy because squeezing all
It
this.
has water in it.
No, it's lime juice, it's not water. Just want to get all that flesh off of the rind. Get all those nutrients. See, limes and lemons have what's called lemanoids. And that's where the alkaline is. Ooh, yeah. Get that.
Yummy sandwich.
Put that in there. Okay. So that is all done. And we're going to add some more agave. And we are all done.
More agave?
More agave. Got to make sure you guys drink. I can tell by the color when it's right and when it's not.
It has to be brown.
Like an amber color. So kind of like the way the agave.
How many cans did you buy agave?
Pour a little out. Shake this up.
That's an amber color.
Almost. This is actually amber.
It's kind of a yellowish green.
Mm-hmm. Drop some more of this.
Agave is more like food coloring.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Buy another one of those. I didn't realize I put that much in there. Gotta do what you gotta do.
You put 2 cans.
No, I didn't. The other one was already empty. And there you have it. LimeAde. Till next time.